from red maroon team. She is very active. And she has lots of stamina. Strong also. Why? Slowly. Nice rebound. Nice. Nabe, eyeball, non-spiral, where? Yeah, got like it with it. Where? Jack, 송이 동아이보, Mona ko de rakpatan man captain ha defense ka ina man to man. Nice. Good one. At least this one better. Okay, your match. If you play, no rain. We had last time in our tournament, we had to play while raining. But it's good, no? It's good that like you come here to make in a day, You play to make some stuff. Best team in India, no? For India. Agre rakha nga ha, pass. Oh! Hai, daksak po, screen kayo mo, Bina. Sakay. Ta. Beginning yesterday, Joy and the service was very fun. Nice to watch. At last, giving their team is almost like they can play some of the men's team, no? They're strong, they're like
And at the end of that final quarter, we have the scores. East Castle Hills District won the match with a score of 68 points. Congratulations, East Castle Hills District. And Southwest Gar Hills District, they could not make it.